Hey friends, welcome back to Ball Homestead. My name is Beverly. I'm so glad you're here. We're gonna go out here and try to do a little milking today. We'll see how it goes because I want to supplement, I gotta turn the water on, that little doeling, maybe just a little bit. So we're gonna try to do that and see how it goes. I haven't even attempted to milk but one time this year, and it was Honey Girl, and she was not having it, but she's got 3 babies on her, so I understand. I wouldn't want to be having it either. So we will see how this goes, and fingers crossed we'll get some good milk for this baby. Get down. Come on, Mama. Come on, you're a good girl. Come on, get up here. Get back, Molly. She is one of the best milkers that we have, and she is so engorged. She's probably going to appreciate this. Yeah, looky there. She's a good girl. She's a good milker, too. Give you a little relief here. Your old teats are just popping. Good girl. Good girl. All right, I'm not going to milk you anymore. I just want to give you a little relief, Mama. Yeah, we're going to let that baby in here, too. She likes to jump the fence. Come on, babies. Bottle. A nice full bottle here, and I'm going to attempt to give it to a little bit in here. If I can catch it. Just a little bit. Here. Let's just sit here. Look here. Let's try this. You're just a little bit skinny for Mama. Here. You're okay. You want this? You're okay. There you go. There you go. Looky there. There you go, Mama. Just want to make sure you get plenty of milk. She's right there. No, I'm just giving her a little bit of extra milk. You want some more? Or are you done? I'll probably stop and get a goat bottle this week and just try to supplement her every day and give her a little bottle, because it's hard to feed 3 babies, and Honey looks wore out, so this will help her out a little bit and give this little doeling a little jump start here, because the brothers look thicker than her. She is so skinny, so I wanted to make sure she's getting enough nutrients to be healthy for us, because this little doeling's going to stay on this farm probably forever. I fell in love with her the minute I saw her. Oh, it's Mama's right there. Look, Mama's right there. She's okay. See, she's okay with you eating a bottle. She's okay with you eating a bottle. Ain't you, honey girl? She's like, yes, I'm okay. Give her some milk. Dang it. Let's see. Hey? It's okay. She just had a little bottle. That's right, Mama. That's right. Just to help you out a little bit. Do you want more? Hmm? Just a little bit of milk, Mama. Just to give her a little supplement. That's it. Just to supplement her a little bit. You've got 3 babies to take care of. Yeah, you've got 3 babies to take care of. I want to help you out a little bit with this pretty little Blossom girl. Yeah. See, Mama don't care. Mama's licking your face. Yeah. Licking her face. That's right. See? Mama don't care. Mama don't care. No. Is it good? Is it good? And strong and grow into a sweet little girl. Yes. You're going to stay on this farm forever. Yeah. You and these other little girls wanted to supplement her a little bit. That's right, sweet girl. That's right. That's right, sweet baby. See, I wasn't trying to hurt you. I was trying to help you. Yeah, I was trying to help you. Her so sweet. Yeah, right here, smile. See? I'm going to let you down now. There you go. You're okay. You're okay. See? You got your belly full, didn't you? You got her belly full. Yeah. Just trying to help you out, Mama. That's all. Just giving her a little extra milk. Yeah, because she's wore out, ain't her, honey girl? Come here, sweetie. Come here. Come here, sweet girl. Come here, my dear. She's going to go right for the pit again, but that's good. This will just supplement her a little bit. Peanut, do you want some milk? We got all of our new garden beds in, which I'm super pumped about. I can't wait to get started, but it's going to have to cool off some. We've been in the 90s for the last couple of weeks again, and it is hot, friends. Very hot. But anyways, we're going to get these chickens fed. To water glass eggs, you need 1 ounce of pickling lime per quart of water. So we have 4 quarts in this gallon jug, so we're going to use 4 ounces of pickling lime to our gallon. We're going to put about a half of a gallon of water, and then we will slowly add our eggs in and top off with whatever water we need. When you water glass eggs, your eggs must be completely blemish free and no poop, no dirt, nothing on them. They have to be perfectly clean because you want the bloom to stay on the egg. You can't wash these eggs either. They just have to come straight from the coop to your pickling lime. I mean, they can sit on your counter for a few days, but you do not want to wash them. See, the lime is already separating, which is fine, around our eggs. And we have a full jar here, and we have a partial jar here, but we will fill it up. We're just going to put the lid on that, and I may set it in here somewhere so I can keep an eye on it. I don't want it getting bad or anything. But we'll just keep adding to this jar over here until we get it full, and then we'll have 2 gallon jars of water glassed eggs, which will last Wayne and myself for quite a while. All right, friends, thank you for stopping back by our homestead. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, friends, goodbye.